Hi, I'm Vince Wallace.
And I'm Eric Decker.
We're in Mrs. Smith's Honors Biology class.
And we're doing the Kingdom video project on Kingdom Animalia.
Joy.
The 9 phylums to the animal kingdom include
Annelida, Arthropoda, Chordata, and Cnidaria.
Echonodermata, Molluscula, Nematoda, Platyhemithis, and Porifera.
Our first phylum of the animal kingdom is Annelida. The species we have chosen are earthworms.
Earthworms, otherwise known by their scientific name Lumbricinia, are hermaphrodites and do sexual reproduction. They are most commonly found in Australia, North America, and the United Kingdom. Food is devoured through the mouth and released from the badonkadonk. Earthworms have bristles or setae in groups around or under their body. They move about on the soil surface by using their bristles as anchors, pushing themselves forward or backward using strong stretching and contracting muscles.
The second species we have chosen for phylum Arthropoda is the emperor scorpion. Emperor scorpions, otherwise known as by their scientific name Pandius imperator, use sexual reproduction and are found in coast countries of West Central Africa. They move with all 6 legs and are often fed crickets and mealworms when kept as pets.
The third species we have chosen for the phylum Chordata is humans.
Humans, otherwise known by their scientific name as Homo sapiens, eat both meat and veggies and are therefore known as omnivores. They move on 2 legs and do sexual reproduction. Humans live everywhere on Earth where there is oxygen.
The fourth species that we have chosen for Kingdom Cnidaria is the moon jellyfish. Moon jellyfish, otherwise known by their scientific name Aurelia aurita, use sexual reproduction and eat mostly plankton. Jellyfish use tentacles for movement and are found around the world's oceans.
The species I have chosen for the phylum Echinodermata is the starfish.
Starfish, otherwise known by their scientific name as Asteroidea, live in rocky but warm ocean waters. Each sea star has hundreds of tiny feet on the bottom of each ray to move. They reproduce by fragmentation and by releasing their gametes into the water, where they will hopefully be fertilized by the gamete from the opposite sex. The starfish eats mostly mollusks, but it eats sponges too, corals, and even sea worms.
The 6th species that we have chosen for phylum Molluscula are snails. Is that funny? Snails, or Helix aspersa, are found on land, in soil or in trees, feeding on plant materials, or in seas, lakes, or ponds, feeding on algae. Snails move by gliding along on their muscular foot, which is lubricated with mucus. Snails are also hermaphrodites and reproduce sexually.
Hey dude, the 7th species we've chosen for phylum Nematoda is the roundworm.
Roundworms, otherwise known by their scientific name as Caenorhabdites elegans, does sexual reproduction. They move by thrashing their bodies using long muscles, which only allow the parasite to move laterally and cannot crawl. They are parasites which infect the mammals, including human beings, in the intestinal tract.
The 8th species that we have chosen for Kingdom Platyhemithis is the tapeworm. Tapeworms, or Cestoda, move by crawling or squirming. They can reproduce sexually or asexually and often lay eggs as they move. They absorb their food through active transport and live in mammal stomachs.
The species we have chosen for the phylum Porifera is yellow sponge.
Yellow tube sponge, otherwise known by their scientific name as Aplycina fistularis, live worldwide in oceans. They are filter feeders that pump water through their bodies to filter out particles of food matter. Certain sponges can move slowly by directing their water current in a certain direction with mysocytis. Sponges can reproduce through both sexual as well as asexual methods.
Additional facts include that Kingdom Animalia has over 2 million species. Animals are multicellular. Animals are eukaryotic. Animals reproduce, and all animals grow and develop.